It might not be full, but it sure looks full. Which gave me the impetus to really get going on the welding portion of the shop. Let me show you what I've been up to, guys. Moved all my woodworking equipment to the roll-up door, so if I do any cutting, I can just blow the dust out the door. Took down my dust collector, rewired the 220 so I could put my welder on 220 and get a better duty cycle. Pretty much converted the whole zone to metalworking. Got a little cutting bench, little bending, working type bench. Got my unit set up in the corner now. And what I've been doing is you know, I've been focused on the bonding part, you know, getting the feel of the torch. It's so much easier with thicker material. This is cold rolled 1/4 inch rod, which is a lot easier to deal with than thin wall stainless tubing. And so I've been all focused on, you know, sticking stuff together, but really that's a small subset of the metal fabrication deal. You really got to learn how to cut metal, shape metal precisely, you know, get it ready to go, cleaned up with acetone, sanded all the 9 yards. You got to get an assortment of ways of holding it and fixturing it and conducting electricity to it, and there's just more to it than running the torch, which is what I've been focused on. So I'm going to try and stick together these 4 little mitered pieces of rod and make a little square frame of metal. No particular reason. It's just rod is cheap. I had it at the local Ace Hardware, so why not? Alright, let's give this thing a go. I've got a freshly sharpened 040 tungsten in there. Got a nice clean piece of ER70S2 filler wire 040. Probably a little small for what I'm trying to do, but you know, it's what I got, and I just want to try and learn how to do this, so yeah, we'll give it a shot. I think I've got it set to about 40 amps max. I'm going to see how that works out for me. Basically, I just want to tack it at first, see what I can do. I can heat into it if I can. Just to do something. There you go. It's something. I don't know what to tell you. I'll give it another little blap on the other side there. Rotate it so I can get around to where I need to get to. Seems like 40 is about right. I want to melt the whole frickin' rod to pieces. What I'm wondering is with this small electrode and the low amps, if I'm really getting the kind of penetration I need, you know? I don't want to burn it up. But here, let me grab the camera, show you what I've done produced. Something. Oh yeah. Well, all I can say, guys, is It's fun doing this stuff. Well, there's a different angle. But I got this cute little wire brush when I was getting the rod. I figured I needed a smaller brush, man, something I can get in there and clean the soot off with. Well, let's see if I can get this side of it put together. I'm going to have to step up to a 16th, but I lost my frickin' collet body. What a dumbass. I don't even know where it is. I have no idea. You know what, that isn't that bad a looking weld. I mean, it looks kind of cooked. I think once I brush it off, it'll look okay. Sorry. So, now whether or not it's strong, I really don't know. I'd have to put it in the vise and hammer on it and beat it up and see what happens. But first I'm going to try and stick the other two ends to it. Interesting. I only welded something together that doesn't look like total crap. It looks like partial crap, but cold rolled 1/4 inch tube, rod is much easier to work with than stainless steel thin wall tube, let me tell you.